Yo, it's your boy, Circle Nux here, back with another sneaker review. And right here, I have a very cool box. This Adidas box really stands out to me. I really like it. It has these different just prints, glossy prints on the top. It has a hooper on the top. The text and the three stripes are raised, so you can really feel it. It's textured. It's a textured box. Adidas fucking snapped. But let's get into these shoes. These are the Adidas Rivalry Hi All-Star Weekend collaboration with Des Money. Now, this is a Chicago pair of shoes. Chicago collaboration. We got. So upon looking at these shoes first, man, this collar looks like a beast. The material is literally like jumping off, but I feel like I could pull the material off. There's a thick nubuck on the back. Let's check out the suede on the toe. The color of these, man, it's a very rugged green. First thing that pops into mind. I also like the tongues. Let's get a shot of the tongue right here. All we got on the tongue. Together forever with the rose. Super dope. And the message behind the shoe is even more powerful and more beautiful. Another thing I like about the shoes are the three stripes. They're elastic. That's super dope. Like, imagine a pair of superstars that had elastic three stripes on them. Super dope edition. Great collab. I wonder who came up with that design. Was it Adidas or the collaborators? The all we got, big in the back again. And like I said, the message behind these shoes are great. Also, come on now, you get multiple laces. I love shoes and brands that give you multiple laces. If you ask me, every pair of shoes except for a pair of Air Force Ones or shell toe Adidas needs an extra pair of laces. And this, you get a pair of green and red rope laces. Hence rope laces. Those are also great. Yeah, great shoe. This is the Adidas Rivalry Hi All-Star Weekend. Thank you. Peace.